So now, class 10th exams are over and your parents are done with your admission in some coaching institute for IIT, JEE or NEET. But you got to understand one thing. Whether you want to do your engineering from IIT or become a doctor from AIIMS or from some respected college you have in your mind, it all boils down to you. If you are not ready to do it, it will not happen. So the first thing is you have to make up your mind that you want to do it. Not because your parents wants you to do it, not because your friends are doing it, not because everyone else you know in your society, in your circle is doing it. It must be because you yourself wants to do it. It will only happen then. And if you have made up your mind to do it, nobody can stop you. So now you have decided that you want to do it. But most of you have heard from your elders, your teachers, your parents that it is a tough nut to crack. And you must be asking yourself, I have not done anything like that. Class 10th was easy. I studied for 2 hours, 3 hours and still got 9-10 CGPA. So how should I start it? First, just think about for 1 second. Do you ever think before brushing your teeth? Most of us do it first thing in the morning. We do it every day. We don't think before doing it. It has become a habit. So you have to develop that habit for the exam by yourself. Now, as per recent research, it takes around 66 days to develop a habit. I tell my students take a time period of 3 months, give or take. But change can be difficult, inconvenient and terrifying. You can't train your body, you can't train your mind overnight. It takes time. You need to have patience. The first 3 months of your preparation will decide for most of you whether you are in the race for the competition or not. The first 3 months will be very hard, but let me assure you, it will be worth it. During the first 3 months, most of you will face failure for the first time. Get low marks in your school, get low marks in your coaching. Most of you will feel disappointed and most of you won't recover from that. Your parents, your school teachers will tell you to change your stream, change the coaching institute. But let me tell you, it happens with the most. You are not alone. What you are lacking is strategy. I always believe that 90% is the student's effort and 10% is the teachers and the parents. You always have to keep in mind that self-study is the key to success. You must have heard that you have to study for 8 to 10 hours every day to crack IIT, NEET, AIIMS. But how can I reach to that 8 to 10 hours studying? I cannot even do it for 2 hours, 3 hours tops. But have you asked yourself why? Let me tell you why. Because till class 10 you have never done it. So now what is the solution? What can I do? First, forget about your past failures. Forget about what grade you got in class 9 or class 10. Forget about you were never among the top 5 students in your class. It is time to start fresh. Second, admit that the first 3 months will be most difficult. Third, develop the habit. This is what you have to do during the first 3 months. Start by making one little change and adding to it every day. Start with minimum 3 hours of self-study, continuous sitting every day. Now continuity is important because every exam that you will give will be around to a time duration of 3 hours. So you have to train your mind accordingly. Now why? So that in a situation of 3 hours continuous period, your mind keeps working, doesn't get tired. Now sitting does not mean you have to sit at the desk, pretend to study for 3 hours. Bear in mind, you are studying for yourself and not just to show it to your parents or anyone. Still some students make a major mistake. I have seen students just looking at the notes and not writing anything, not solving anything. You have to write, you have to solve questions, you have to practice. It will be difficult, that's why most of the students don't do it. But you can do it and you must do it. You have to build your own routine, your own ritual, your own habit. Everyone who has ever succeeded has her own ritual. Your routine, your work ethic, your discipline will define your preparation. After 21 days, you will be comfortable with 3 hours studying. Next, increase the time by 1 hour. Now 2 sittings, 3 hours and 1 hour. Take a gap of half an hour between the sittings. Continue this for the next 21 days. Again increase the time by 1 hour. Now 2 sittings, one of 3 hours and one of 2 hours. Continue this for next 21 days. Again increase the time by 1 hour. Now 2 sittings, 3 hours each. Continue this for the next 21 days. After 3 months you will realize that you have reached to 6 hours self-study. Maybe not 8 hours, but I can assure you if you will do 6 hours self-study every day for the next 2 years, it will be more than enough. Next, you will get more marks in the exam than you have ever thought. Your friends, your parents will be shocked to see that you can achieve that. You will outperform yourself. You will not be the same person or same student as you are right now. There will be a spark in you. It will build your momentum and you have to carry on that momentum for the next 2 years. Now let me tell you, it will not be easy. There will be distractions. Your siblings will be playing video games, watching TV. Your friends will be calling you out to come out and play. But you have made your choice, haven't you? You have set your priority. You have set your goal and you want to achieve that goal. Every day means every day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday or Sunday. Look into the mirror and keep reminding yourself of the goal that you want to achieve. It is necessary. It is a part of the process, the preparation process. I am doing it because I want to do it.